do it, Maddie. Watch out. She's like, I'll take it after you.
Kenzie, come on, great Kenzie.
Good job.
Maddie's turn. Maddie, wait till Kenzie's all the way.
Kenzie, come here. Kenz. Watch out, she'll eat you. I like your idea, but then I won't be able to hang it up. Get the bottom, Maddie. Get the bottom.
I was going to say, it might be too... Kenzie's turn again.
How do it?
You're doing good, Maddie.
See, I wonder where that little pink baseball bat of hers is we got from Potomac Nationals. Get that video? Good one. Contact.
Kenzie's turn. Oh, she doesn't care.
Gotta stand a little farther away, Maddie. See, hit it with the big part of the bat. There you go. It's a good pinata. For a couple bucks.
Hmm?
How much did you pay for that thing?
5.
Good pinata. $5. Maddie gets one hit.
Maddie.
Gotta hit the bottom part. Hit the bottom. See if she can actually swing a real baseball bat. It's starting to come apart. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting.
It's hard.
I know, you gotta keep doing it though.
Look! Keep going! Keep going! Kenzie, go get her bag.
Maddie, you wanna swing this bat? It'll bust it wide open. Here, swing this one once.
Bag. Kenzie's like, wait a minute. I see
Use this for one
No, 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 Maddie. You gotta let it all fall out.
Okay.
That's too heavy for her.
You swing it once, hit it once. Both hands.
It's too heavy.
No, it ain't 2 hands?
No.
Okay, use the other bat.
I can't.
No, Maddie, hit it with the bat.
Bat.
Really hard. Woo! Kenzie, get your bag. Maddie, go get your...
Oh, bracelet.
Where's
the bag?
It's candy.
Maddie, get your bag and fill it up.
Okay. It's pretty cool. Meant to break there.
It is?
Yeah.
Give Kenzie one.
You're too fake, are you?
Give Kenzie a bracelet.
You're too fake, are you?
Swim your bags. I'll do that for Maddie so she wants to go to the baseball. Drill a hole through it and tie it up. Or they can swing at each other.
You gotta take the wrapper off, Kenzie.
Candy out. I take all candy out.
Good job.
You have a big face like you. Like a good. You have candy.